Learning UK road signs is essential for staying safe and confident on the road. In today's video, we'll guide you through some of the most important UK road signs you need to recognize and understand for your theory test and everyday driving. Track your score as we go, and don't forget to drop it in the comments at the end. We'd love to see how you do. Let's get started. Question 1. What sign indicates a risk of grounding at a level crossing ahead? The answer is A. Question 2. Which sign signals that traffic must only go in one direction? The answer is D. Question 3. What sign marks the end of motorway regulations? The answer is B. Question 4. Which sign warns of a level crossing without gates? The answer is C. Question 5. What sign identifies the location of a country park? The answer is B. If you're 5 for 5 so far, give this video a like to celebrate your progress. Let's keep that momentum going as we dive into the next set of signs to Question 6. Which sign suggests a temporary speed limit of 50 miles per hour? The answer is D. Question 7. What sign alerts driver to a junction ahead with a stop or give way sign? The answer is A. Question 8. Which sign marks the distance to a roundabout or the next 3 miles? The answer is B. Question 9. What sign indicates the presence of agricultural vehicles? The answer is C. Question 10. Which sign marks a bus stop along the road? The answer is B. Question 11. What sign shows that all vehicles are prohibited during certain times? The answer is C. Question 12. Which sign marks the end of a controlled zone? The answer is D. Question 13. What sign indicates that a historic castle tourist attraction is 10 miles, 16 kilometers, ahead? The answer is A. Question 14. Which sign warns of road narrowing on the right side? The answer is C. Question 15. What sign alerts drivers to turn left ahead? The answer is A. Question 16. Which sign identifies a home zone area? The answer is D. Question 17. What sign is used to mark bus parking zones? The answer is B. Question 18. Which sign indicates that vehicles exceeding a certain weight are prohibited from crossing a bridge? The answer is D. Question 19. What sign shows the presence of a cycle lane that flows in the same direction? The answer is A. Question 20. Which sign alerts drivers to a required right turn? The answer is B. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 21. What sign marks a countdown to a level crossing? 3. The answer is D. Question 22. Which sign warns of the closure of the right-hand lane on a 2-lane dual carriageway? The answer is B. Question 23. What sign tells drivers to halt at a major road ahead? The answer is C. Question 24. Which sign marks the distance to a roundabout? 100 yards, 180 meters away. The answer is A. Question 25. What sign indicates the potential for snowdrifts ahead? The answer is D. Question 26. Which sign shows that the route is exclusively for pedal cycles? The answer is B. Question 27. What sign directs driver to a free parking place for pedal cycles? The answer is D. Question 28. Which sign alerts driver to turn left ahead? The answer is B. Question 29. What sign warns that traffic will merge onto the main carriageway? The answer is C. Question 30. Which sign indicates the distance to an emergency telephone located in a parking place? The answer is D. Question 31. What sign indicates that vehicles and loads exceeding a certain weight are prohibited from crossing? The answer is B. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 32. What sign provides directions to a motorway junction? The answer is D. Question 33. Which sign warns of traffic signals ahead? The answer is B. Question 34. What sign shows the direction to a park-and-ride car park? The answer is D. Question 35. Which sign warns of a steep hill ahead? The answer is B. Question 36. What sign marks the location of a camping and caravan site? The answer is D. Question 37. Which sign indicates the closure of the center lane on a 3-lane single carriageway road? The answer is B. Question 38. What sign alerts drivers to a series of bends ahead? The answer is B. Question 39. Which sign marks the location of an art gallery? The answer is D. Question 40. What sign provides directions to a tourist attraction indicated by a symbol? The answer is C. That's it for today's UK Road Signs quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. And let us know which signs you found the trickiest so we can cover them in future videos. If you found this helpful and want more clear driving guides, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're ready for your next step toward confident driving. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the roads.